सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
On 9th of March 2021, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has virtually inaugurated Maitri Setu between India and Bangladesh. Apart from that, he has also inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of various infrastructure projects in Tripura as well. In today's DNS program, we will talk about the Maitri Setu and will also have a look on some other aspects related to it. The bridge Maitri Setu has been built over Feni River, which flows between Indian boundary in Tripura state and Bangladesh. The Feni River, which forms part of the India-Bangladesh border, originates in the South Tripura districts, passes through Sabroom town on the Indian side and meets the Bay of Bengal after it flows into Bangladesh. The name Maitri Setu symbolizes growing bilateral relations and friendly ties between India and Bangladesh. The construction was taken up by the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited at a project cost of Rs 133 crores. The 1.9 kilometer long bridge joins Sabroom in India and Ramgarh in Bangladesh. It is poised to herald a new chapter for trade and people-to-people movement between India and Bangladesh. With this inauguration, Tripura is set to become the gateway of Northeast with access to Chittagong port of Bangladesh, which is just 80 km from Sabroom. It is noteworthy here that Bangladesh in 2019 agreed to let India withdraw 1.82 cusecs of water from Feni River for the residents of the border town. The negotiations, which were dragging on since the early 90s, finally came to fruition in 2019 as Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina signed a memorandum of understanding with India to allow the release of potable water. If you have a look on the Indo-Bangladesh relations, India has had a robust relationship with Bangladesh, carefully cultivated since 2008, especially with the Sheikh Hasina government at the helm. India has benefited from its security ties with Bangladesh, whose crackdown against anti-India outfits has helped the Indian government maintain peace in the eastern and northeast states. Bangladesh has benefited from its economic and development partnership. Bangladesh is India's biggest trade partner in South Asia. Bilateral trade has grown steadily over the last decade. India's exports to Bangladesh in 2018-19 stood at $9.21 billion and imports from Bangladesh at $1.04 billion. India also grants 15 to 20 lakh visas every year to Bangladesh nationals for medical treatment, tourism, work and just entertainment. For India, Bangladesh has been a key partner in the Neighborhood First policy and possibly the success story in bilateral ties among its neighbors. However, there have been recent irritants in the relationship. These include the proposed countrywide National Register of Citizens, that is NRC, and the Citizenship Amendment Act, that is CAA, etc.